how is not about fashion, it's about who you are.
Hi, you're watching What Wear How with me, Urmi and Hemal. As we all know, fashion is a vicious circle and it keeps repeating itself. It all comes back to where it started from. And today, we are talking about one such trend that was very popular during the 80s and has hit the scene again now.
Yes, you guessed it right. Neons. Neons were at its best during those days. Actresses used to spot huge polka dots with neon pants, and now they are doing their rounds again.
Right. And today we are going to show you some of our neon collections which we've used to put our outfits together. So let's take a look.
This is my favorite piece from our collection, and I'm really obsessed with tie and dye these days. And the best thing about this is it has a neon pop to it, and it makes it look so versatile that I can use it for my Indian as well as Western outfits.
This clutch is not just a favorite because of its striking neon green color and the gold motifs. Like Hemal says, it's great on versatility because she has worn it equally with her Indian as well as Western outfits. Here she is wearing it with her golden gown and a blue jacket thrown over. The clutch adds the right amount of glam and lifts the outfit to a more dressy level. A clutch this kind is a must-have for a lot of occasions including cocktail parties, wedding events, and also is very compact for your partying outings.
And this is yet another unconventional pick from our collection, these John Lennon Sunnies. They have a nice metallic neon green frame and not every girl would pick this up, but I think with this outfit of mine, they go perfect.
Fancy frames are doing the rounds this season and like you can see are available in every shape, size and color to suit your best. Urmi is wearing frames inspired by John Lennon's glasses that she picked up from Zara. Urmi has broken all rules and is seen here wearing it with her floral blouse from Zara and the white cotton skirt with lace detailing at the hem. This all-girl avatar would probably push anyone to go with more feminine shades, but you are bound to make a statement in this dashing out-of-the-box look. A slim gold chain in the neck adds sophistication and relief to the busy print on the top. She is wearing a bright pink strappy number in the feet to add a pop of color. You have to be slightly on the edgier side to carry this look off confidently.
So this is one of my favorite picks from the neon collection. I love how the gold and neon green go together. It adds so much to the shoe. Though it's not a very conventional pick for every girl, but you have to see the magic it creates to the outfit.
Urmi wore the sneakers with this lacy skirt and floral blouse from Zara to keep that little boy in her happy. Sneakers with skirts or dresses is a very whimsical combination. It's a very casual, chic look, but you see celebrities sporting them too for red carpets. It's just the way you style it. Urmi has tried having fun with laces too, by replacing the original ones with neon. This golden shoe adds so much to an otherwise pastel outfit. Not necessary that sneakers only complete a sporty look, but you can add them to your girly outfits as well. It sums up as a combination of chic and nerdy. You could wear this combo to possibly anywhere, be it concerts or a regular party or a college event.
This is my next pick from our collection. The pop of pink on this crochet says it all. I can team this jacket with any of my basics and also this maxi dress too, which makes it look really classy.
Hemal is wearing a metallic gold gown that she usually prefers at evening occasions. To transform her evening gown to a day look, she throws over this neon piping jacket, automatically making the gown look just appropriate for the day. Though the jacket looks a little sporty, but it gives a very feminine touch. You can wear this jacket with formal shirt and trousers for a business lunch at a restaurant. You can also do a whole turn and make this jacket look casual and great with a loud neon-colored tee over basic shorts and ballerinas.
Hemal and I have always believed that trends are made and not followed. Using neon as a trend which the world is going gaga over, you can do a lot differently with using the trend just as a base.
And we also want to know what are the quirky things you have done using the playful neon colors in your wardrobe.
So this is Urmi and Hemal signing off. Don't forget to post your pictures on our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, or simply write your feedback and comments right below.